Building up a brand, it's never a one-day story. It's always a long journey of 6 months to 1 year minimum, even in the digital space that we need.
Any brand experience which you have felt was the toughest in terms of onboarding them?
There was a brand, Panasonic. It took 5 years of chasing that brand to bring them on board. Till date, we see brands like Amul, LG running ads, be it in newspaper, be it on television commercials. They are part of our everyday life. Still, they are running ads. Constant brand recall, it's very much important. I was in a business partnership. Somewhere I felt opposite gender used to overrule every decision I made.
Whatever we are talking about, we see the ads. How does that happen?
हमारे phones अगर हमारे आसपास है, they're always listening to us. Our information in real time is getting crunched.
So हमारी privacy कहाँ गई फिर उसमें?
The minute we purchase, हम सारी terms and conditions को टिक करते हुए जब move in कर रहे होते हैं, हमने already उनको सारी चीज़ों का access दे रखा होता है.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Show Business Podcast.
She's not just building a brand, she's building a mindset. From newsroom chaos to digital agency hustle, our guest has done it all. Media, marketing, leadership या travel, हर रोल को इन्होंने अलग अंदाज में एक्सप्लोर किया है. उनकी जर्नी एक रिमाइंडर है कि सक्सेस सिर्फ स्ट्रैटेजी से नहीं, थोड़ी मैडनेस और बहुत सारी मेहनत से बनती है. She is unapologetic, ambitious, effortlessly creative and always one step ahead. Not just in business, but in life too. Get ready for some raw, real and unfiltered conversation with the powerhouse herself, Meghna Arora. Hi Meghna, how are you?
I'm doing great, Saurabh. Thank you.
You're welcome and thank you very much for coming over here. Thank you very much for taking out time in your such a busy schedule. Because I always wanted to have this discussion with you because you are into branding and you are into the media, right? You have an understanding that how this thing work. Majorly social media, if I talk about, things has changed a lot. Even I'm also into this same industry. But मैंने ये देखा है कि in last 5 years things has changed completely. चाहे मैं बात करूँ कि पहले सिर्फ क्रिएटिव्स क्रिएट करने होते थे, आज की डेट में इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को हायर करना पड़ता है टू डिलीवर द कंटेंट, टू क्रिएट इट. सो मैं एक चीज़ जो जानना चाहता हूँ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दैट इज सिंस यू आर अ फाउंडर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोजेट्स, इफ आई हैव प्रोनाउंस्ड इट राइट.
Yes, that's correct.
So how did that journey started and why did you came into the field of media?
So my journey initially started with offline marketing, where I was part with event management companies. That's where my journey actually started. Okay. All glitz and glam. You can just get swayed away, pulled into the limelight,
right.
meeting with the celebrities.
Right.
But eventually I did realize, I was in the corporate events and I did realize that कहीं ना मैं अपनी creativity lose कर रही हूँ. Because in all the brand guidelines, खुद को क्या करना है ना वो मिस हो रहा था. That's where, when I felt digital is the right space for me and I could grow brands based on my own needs. I could grow brands based on my own strategy. And this has been a 7-year long journey now into the digital space for me. And I think unstoppable hai ab.
So what kind of brands you prefer, or I would say what kind of niche, if I would talk about, what is the best niche which suits you?
So honestly, I enjoy working with brands which are more B2C centric.
Okay.
Major reason being I like to do the entire market research.
All right.
TG find karna, what kind of audience is best suited. Even in the digital space, it is not just ki ad lagani hai.
Right.
How we need to connect back to the audience, how we need to define the communication, that is also very important. एंड वो रिसर्च करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है ताकि एक ब्रांड को जब 0 से 100 पे स्टैंड करना हो. आई थिंक दैट जर्नी इज ग्रेट.
Okay, so as per you, how much time it takes to make a brand, or I would say in order to build a good visibility over onto the internet, as per you?
See, थोड़ा tricky question है.
Absolutely.
I think
you're gonna get a lot of like these.
I cannot define that very specifically. See, it also depends ki how much the client is also willing to expand their in terms of ideas that we throw to them. So अगर मैंने उनको कहा कि we should start with influencer marketing, or if we are suggesting कि we should do performance marketing, or if we are suggesting them to initiate with some kind of campaign which is even social driven.
Right.
So we can suggest ideas, but always implementation of ideas may not happen.
Yeah, true.
So for building up a brand, it's never a one-day story. It's always a long journey of 6 months to 1 year minimum, even in the digital space that we need.
Right.
ताकि brand एक strongly खड़ा हो.
Absolutely. So now, like, there are two things majorly into this space, that is organic and a paid space. Right. Which one you prefer?
I always prefer the organic space.
Why?
So again, it goes back to the research part. So when you know what your customer is looking for, अगर मेरी target market मुझे समझ आ गई है, I think my 50% job is already done, even in the digital space, if I can crack that nut.
And what about paid marketing? What are your views about that?
See, paid marketing we've been doing for the brands, and definitely it also depends on client to client. उनके vision क्या है in terms of, are they looking for sales, are they looking for awareness, are they looking for engagement?
Right.
So पहले तो ब्रांड का यही पर्पस समझना होता है कि why they actually coming down to digital space to start with.
Absolutely.
And अगर वो चीज़ हमारे लिए properly defined है, then we can always pick up between organic and inorganic. If somebody is genuinely sales driven and they're looking for sales only, then we have to opt for performance marketing.
Right. So, like, generally what I have seen in the market, that people want to get the sales. However, they are looking for the organic ways in order to generate the sales. I have felt it is a very tough task to do it, because like, with organic you can do branding and you can do a brand building. However, for the sales, like, performance marketing needs to come into the picture. So how do you make them understand that, boss, like, this is what you want or what it is?
See, I can give you a very interesting example.
Yeah, please.
So we, even till date, we see brands like Amul, we see brands like LG running ads.
Right.
Be it in newspaper, be it on television commercials, they are still running ads. Do we not know these brands? They are part of our everyday life.
Absolutely.
But still they are investing into running ads.
Right.
So I think constant brand recall, the relatability to their audience, the kind of connect they are trying to build by being present across platforms in every day. It's very much important.
Right.
And जहाँ तक बात रही organically sales drive करना, I'm sure these brands are already driving great sales organically.
Yes, absolutely.
I mean, we don't need to really say butter, it is always Amul for us.
Yeah.
So, situations have tables have turned over time.
Right.
To get that level of sales organically, we really need to be a Amul.
Right, absolutely. But like, what are the things which has been changed in last 7 years? Like, at the time when you just started off with the things in terms of like, digital space, what all things you have felt that has been completely changed?
One major thing that changed was during the pandemic.
Yeah.
I think digital pre-pandemic era में बहुत different था, where we had to go back to people and educate them and push them कि digital पे आओ.
Right.
You need to have an Instagram presence. You need to have a Facebook page. What is community building?
Right.
How you need to build up your audience.
Right.
But with time now, COVID में I think everybody understood that it is a very powerful tool, and come what may, they need to be there on digital now.
So have you felt like, before pandemic, like, we used to get better results when we go to digital platforms? Okay. If somebody, if I would say any of the brand who's doing marketing on digital platforms, they used to get better leads, better sales, and it was still easy to make anything viral. Okay. But आज की डेट में, since everybody's on these platform, did that I would say competition made your journey difficult?
I will not say competition made the journey difficult, but yes, what you mentioned कि space बहुत crammed हो चुकी है. I mean, almost every second or third post that we scroll on Instagram nowadays is a sponsored ad.
Absolutely.
We are just pushed to see so much of content right now through paid promotions. So definitely space crammed हो चुकी है, and things in the pre-COVID era were much simpler.
Yes.
Because इतना influencer marketing का भी craze नहीं था उस time पे.
Right.
And
था ही नहीं, I guess.
true, we just had a very few influencers now who've actually shifted to a different space of being part of the Netflix era.
Yes, absolutely. So, I mean, now there are entire agencies who are just doing UGC content. They are just like,
Yes.
hiring the influencers and creating the content. Okay. Now, my next thing is like, since you are deeply rooted with both creativity and strategy, as per you, like, आप कैसे balance करते हो इन दोनों चीज़ों को, and how do you create the result-driven campaigns?
Okay. So we always need a balance of both. We cannot move only in one direction.
Right.
So it is always strategy first.
Okay.
So the strategy needs to come from what is the brand actually looking for
Okay.
in terms of sales, in terms of brand awareness, and what is the current situation of the brand.
All right.
Is it just starting or is it already established in market? I can mention one of the examples. So we recently launched one of an alkaline water brand in market, Vedium. And while we were working with that brand, so there were a lot of strategies that we pushed to the market for the brand, which were catering to maybe UGC, maybe to influencer, maybe, connecting the brand to with the fitness-based audience.
Okay.
So a lot of strategies that we played around with this brand, and eventually creativity came second in this space.
Got it.
What kind of content? We actually were pushing the brand initially कि photo shoots करवा लो.
Okay.
And then later on it was like नहीं, पहले हमें market अपनी presence बनानी है.
अच्छा.
So obviously when brand was very clear कि मुझे पहले अपनी market presence बनानी है, and then we want to invest into any kind of product shoots. So it was obviously a challenge zone.
Absolutely.
So we just knew कि हम products को किसी end consumers को भेज सकते हैं, who can do the talking for the brand, and it helped us to build up the presence for them.
One more thing which I have felt and seen in my career, that is making the client understand what exactly we are going to do. Have you also felt those challenges when you are ready with your strategies and everything, like backed up with research and data and everything like that, but all of a sudden client says no, I do not want that, or just change it? Or have you any experience like you have?
I think it happens a lot of times. It happens a lot of times. मतलब ये तो बहुत tricky situation होती है. हर बारी हम strategy लेके बैठे होते कि यही करना चाहिए, and this is the stats based on website traffic. पूरा data लेके बैठे होंगे, but if they are adamant on doing specific thing, so some days we also have to negotiate, and some days we have to make them understand कि वो ज़रूरी क्यों है.
So उसमें generally ऐसा होता है कि like when we know that something is not right, or maybe like something is not that much right, I would say, उतने अच्छे results नहीं आएंगे, but still client is saying कि नहीं, I want this only. So have you ever say this to client that okay, I am not gonna take the charge of the results which we're gonna take it, and things like that?
Definitely.
Openly.
Very openly I've said that, क्योंकि if they are expecting me to run a specific kind of ad and I know कि वो उनके लिए benefit नहीं करेगा, I know end of the day it will spoil my name and reputation for the agency. So I always prefer कि I'll keep that word very clear.
Okay.
And I would always tell them कि 7-10 days में maybe let's just re-review. आपको जो चाहिए let's run it and see it. अगर 7 से 10 days में we are not able to achieve the kind of results you are also expecting, so maybe we can change on the strategy and work जो हमें चाहिए था.
Okay, got it. Apart from that, how do you manage your team? Because being an agency founder, I can understand that, and I have seen there's a lot of pain in managing the team as well, because over here it is not a repetitive task. Every day it is new, every person is new. You're gonna have somebody in the content, somebody in the performance, somebody is into the social, somebody is into the influencer, so everybody will come up with new ideas. So how do you manage all these things?
Always have a brainstorming session.
Okay.
So half an hour for we decide कि ये आधा घंटा हम इसी client की बात करेंगे.
Okay.
So that we are very clear कि हर किसी को जो बोलना है उस client के बारे में, it's a predefined time. Brainstorm, pen down the ideas, whatever contradictions we have to give, वो दे लो. उसके बाद when it goes back to the client, it needs to be a very clear crystal strategy.
अभी की अगर मैं बात करूँ, things has changed and it is a very fast paced era which is going on right now. Which is the best strategy which suits you? If I compare it with influencer marketing is there, performance marketing is there, organic content is also still into the picture. as per you, what is best?
Honestly, right now I feel community-led marketing
Okay.
works the best.
Why?
So when it comes to community-led marketing, we are giving space to the brand to build trust. We are giving space to brands to connect back to the audience, speak. They can take feedbacks in real time also.
Right.
So, and ye communities can be anywhere. Matlab, there are brands who are running communities on WhatsApp, Discord,
Yes.
Telegram,
Right.
even on Instagram now.
Right.
So there are ample spaces that we can have these communities, and they're doing good. I feel a personalized connect जो हम brands build कर पा रहे हैं
Right.
अब
तो
it
community-
has been a real game changer.
Okay, so let's say there are a lot of people out there who are into this branding space. Along with that, there are a lot of people who are the business owners and who want to get into the community building.
Yes.
So this bite is for them. How somebody or how a brand should build a community and where they should build a community.
So first is always figure out where your target audience is.
Okay.
Once you have a defined target audience, be it you feel it's easier for you to connect back to your audience through WhatsApp channels or on Instagram or any other like Telegram or Discord.
Right.
So wherever you feel your audience is most comfortable interacting with you, platform figure out karo. Keep engaging, keep interacting with them. Take valuable feedbacks time to time. That's a very necessary parameter, I'll say.
Okay.
Maybe in form of polls, अगर हम open नहीं रखना चाहते हैं, because you know,
Absolutely.
once you have a community, you'll be bombed with
Yeah. True.
all goods and bads. So maybe in form of polls, we can take opinions from our end customers.
Okay.
And then be it a business, then be it a individual, both of them can sail through this.
चलिए थोड़ा सा इस चीज़ को डाइवर्ट करते हैं हम इस सेगमेंट से. यू बीइंग अ वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर, हाउ इजी इट इज़ फॉर यू टू डू अ बिजनेस?
How easy it is to do business. Okay.
Yes.
So I think it has been fairly okay with, if you speak in terms of being a female and into the business space, it has been fairly fine. I would not say too harsh, but obviously there are a certain challenges that come by default.
So
Which we need to-
और भी है I have also had this discussion. I just want to have a view of yours. Women's को मैंने ऐसा फील करा है कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा कम आका जाता है. They feel women founders or women business owners, they are maybe till the time they are not famous enough and people didn't have heard about them. They are not able to trust. Okay, there is that trust issue. So have you ever felt that?
I can give you a little example. I was in a business partnership. So obviously 5-year long business partnership, and somewhere I felt ki the opposite gender used to overrule every decision I made.
Right. That's right.
Maybe 2 months, 3 months down the line, we'll be implementing the same decision, but at that moment it would get overruled.
Right.
So I have seen that very closely into my life. And when it comes to clients, when you're dealing with the brands, there have been cases where I felt the client was not very comfortable. And I have heard these cases also कि जहाँ client ने phone करके actually ये बोला हो कि लड़की की जगह कोई लड़का होगा बात करेगा ना तो आसान रहता है.
So how did you manage these challenges?
By starting Electrojets,
Okay.
which is led by me, and I feel I want to have an environment which is very gender neutral. I don't want to promote any gender. I'm not even promoting females. I'm not even promoting men.
Okay.
It's a very gender neutral environment that I'm part of. And I think since you mentioned this, there are a lot of communities जैसा हम देखते हैं आजकल इतने female groups आ चुके हैं.
Yeah.
Who are supporting women entrepreneurs.
True.
And they're endless right now.
Right. Yes.
तो उसका major reason I feel कि कहीं ना कहीं environment में women are not getting that space equally. Reason why these groups have become like a safe space for them.
Right.
To empower themselves.
What are your views towards the empowerment of women in India?
Empowerment of women.
Yeah. Till what extent you think women empowerment is required still in our country?
See, it is all about equal opportunities. Nothing more than that. We are not asking for anything more. And as long as, you know, all we get the same space to speak, take decisions, and be part of decision making in any corporate.
Right.
Take up the chair of being a CEO, director. I think women can drive it way better there.
Yeah. Well, that's absolutely, because like, you know, what has been observed, and I was reading an article that women's have more power to analyze risk. They are like, you know, they don't go ahead and take anything on risk, and they want to like, you know, have a safer side.
They're very calculative.
Yes. So that thing actually helps out in the businesses,
Right.
even in the trading as well, in the trading industry. Although there are very few women's, I'm talking about the stock market trading, there are although very few females, but still they are doing pretty well if I compare it with the men's, because men's just they go ahead and like, you know, okay, pura paisa laga do.
All in.
All in, yes, exactly. Great.
But I think corporates में even मतलब the statement that I also gave कि जहाँ पे किसी client का ये बोलना कि, you know, लड़की की on the client servicing front I had a female who was dealing with the client, तो client का actually reaction था कि लड़की की जगह लड़का हो ना तो मैं phone उठा लूँगा, मुझे discomfort नहीं होगा बात करने में.
But somewhere like, you know, I have felt other way as well, that is especially in client servicing, that is like, you know, having somebody like, you know, from who is female into this particular part help the company as well, because like, you know, over there the clients they stay in their area. I mean, they just don't go ahead and like, you know, say anything. So this is something which I have experienced in my agency, that having a female, that to be in the client servicing, clients become polite.
Right.
Okay, they understand, okay, how much they can speak, and they don't go here and there and
strategies implement jaldi ho jati hai.
Yeah, that is also one of the thing. Great. So how many team members you have?
So we're a team of 15 people right now.
Okay.
And it's a group of social media managers, creative graphic designers,
Okay.
media planners, and a very small technical team who
Achha.
do in-house website development.
Okay, great. So what does Electrojets do?
So we are a full service marketing agency in the digital space, and primary हमारा focus है कि we want to work as a in-house team for any brand.
Okay.
So we want to give a very customized solution. We want to be very personalized. So every client of mine, they have like a point of contact, and we give that kind of time investment to our clients कि हम उनके साथ बैठ के brainstorm करते हैं कि what kind of marketing activities in digital space, or even in offline if they are looking for, we are always open to that idea कि हम आपको suggest कर सकते हैं what you can do in the, you know, even in the offline space to grow.
Okay. Clients का ये generally रहता है कि like, you know, hiring an agency will gonna think about their money, not about their brand. How do you manage that?
Reason why I mentioned, so if that will always be a case, हम लोग इसीलिए उनकी in-house team की तरह work कर रहे हैं, where we are there available on toes, even answering them a little late, ताकि, you know, they feel at home.
Okay.
It's not कि वो agency से deal कर रहे हैं, we are part of them in-house sitting, ताकि उनको कभी कोई चीज़ की requirement हो, we're available for them.
Any brand experience you can share, like, you know, which you have felt was the toughest in terms of onboarding them?
I recall, yes, there was a brand, Panasonic.
Okay.
So it took 5 years of chasing that brand to bring them on board.
All right.
So उनकी management team change हो जाती थी, तो हर साल हम जाके same conversation, same pitch, same कहानी सुना रहे होते थे ब्रांड को कि हम क्या करते हैं, क्या कर सकते हैं ब्रांड के लिए, हाउ ब्रांड इट विल हेल्प द ब्रांड. हमारी पिच वही चलती थी, सामने टेबल पे इंसान बदल चुका होता था. सो दिस वेंट ऑन फॉर 5 years. फाइनली वी केम ऑन बोर्ड एंड वी ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू गिव रेफरेंस. लास्ट इंसान से ये बात हुई थी एंड दिस पर्सन गेव अस द रेफरेंस ऑफ योर्स.
राइट.
We kept on building upon that chain. 5 years later, finally we had the brand on board with us.
Amazing.
A long chase, very long.
So working with, like, you know, brand like Panasonic and working with people who have just started off their brands, how much easy or difficult it is to work with them?
So definitely difficult होता है, but I feel कि smaller businesses के साथ work करने में ना मज़ा बहुत आता है. you have a lot room to explore. You
Yes.
have a lot of strategies which you can implement. बिग ब्रांड्स में रिस्ट्रिक्शन क्रिएटिविटी की गाइडलाइंस ब्रांड लोगो यहीं आएगा कलर ये यूज नहीं करना है
Yes, fonts.
यू नो वी आर रिस्ट्रिक्टेड ऑन एवरी पॉसिबल पैरामीटर एंड दैट क्रिएटिव विल गो अंडर 10,000 क्वालिटी चेक्स
Right.
एंड वो एब्सोल्युटली जो उनको चाहिए होता है वो वही बनेगा नॉट इवन अ परसेंटेज ऑफ हमें जैसा चाहिए हो स्मॉलर ब्रांड्स में ह्यूज रूम फॉर क्रिएटिविटी ह्यूज रूम टू एक्सपेरिमेंट
Right.
ह्यूज रूम टू एक्सप्लोर किस टाइप की कम्युनिकेशन देनी है आई मीन आई थिंक दी क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल जो हम आजकल देखते हैं मोमेंट मार्केटिंग मीम मार्केटिंग
Right.
bigger brands don't get into it
Never. Right.
but smaller brands actually value it a lot.
However, like, if I talk about money, again, working with, like, bigger brands, it's still, like, it's lesser pain. However, like, working with the smaller brands, have you felt that thing, like, that at the time of, like, payout,
It's a huge struggle.
yeah, like, there's
You really need to chase that.
Right.
It's always a chase, and I think this situation is there in the Indian market specifically. कि we need to chase the clients for payments.
Why do you think, like, it's there in India market? Because I have seen that myself as well. Like, the US clients, UK clients, or, like, anybody out there. I'm talking about the developed nations. Over there, people, like, they want to pay fast and then want to take the services by themselves. That's in their genes. However, in India, like, this is completely different. They want to take your services and they don't even want to pay you. They'll find out some, like,
10,000 problems.
Yes, problems in what you have done, and then they'll try to, like, keep their money. So how do you face and how do you, like, go ahead and solve these things?
Yeah, I think it is a very standard classic problem that we also face.
Right.
It is a chase definitely, but I think एक लिमिट होती है कि हम भी एक बैंडविड्थ लेके चल रहे होते हैं कि how well do we know the client and how much credit period also we can offer to a client. If not, then obviously we'll have to put a pause to the situation. International markets में same situation कि you raise the invoice and पहले payment आएगी और उसके बाद call आएगा कि let's start the work.
Exactly.
It's very clean functioning.
मार्केटिंग के अंदर एक और चीज़ भी होती है दैट इज एथिकल मार्केटिंग एंड लाइक some of things are like some of the clients they want to do some things which is not ethical as per you. So have you faced any of this kind of an experience in your market?
Followers बढ़ा दो.
अच्छा. right.
हमें वायरल कर दो फॉलोअर्स बढ़ा दो रील को वायरल कर दो थिंग्स विच प्रैक्टिकली आई थिंक यू वुड अग्री टू एज डिजिटल मार्केटिंग ये हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं होता.
Absolutely.
हम फॉलोअर एक दिन में 50,000 नहीं ला सकते.
राइट. आई मीन जेन्युइन नहीं ला सकते काइंड ऑफ.
हाँ ट्रू.
तो फिर
एथिकली नहीं आ सकते.
यस
बट नहीं आई आउटराइटली रिफ्यूज. आई हैव सीन बिग ब्रांड्स जिनके पेजेस पे बहुत फेक फॉलोअर्स होते हैं एंड they are running with it. ठीक है.
So like having those fake followers, वो ब्रांड के पेजेस को आपके हिसाब से कितना इफेक्ट करता है?
डेफिनेटली इफेक्ट करता है एंड आई थिंक अब कंज्यूमर थोड़ा अवेयर हो रहा है. वी रियली कैन नॉट फूल द कंज्यूमर एनी मोर. पीपल नो हम कितना 50,000 फॉलोअर है और लाइक एक आ रहा है. आई थिंक बेसिक मैथमेटिक्स अगर कंज्यूमर करना शुरू कर देते हैं दे नो कि ये कितना फेक फॉलोअर्स.
राइट. सिंस यू आर इनटू दिस स्पेस, एल्गोरिदम की अगर मैं बात करूँ, जो भी सोशल मीडिया के एल्गोरिदम्स हैं, पहले 2-3 चीज़ें होती थी. दैट इज़ दैट हाउ मच टाइम समबडी इज़ कंज्यूमिंग ऑन दैट पेज, स्पेंडिंग ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर पेज, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट टाइप ऑफ पोस्ट, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट लाइक द रीच.
राइट.
सो अभी एल्गोरिदम में आपके हिसाब से कुछ चेंजेस आए हैं या अभी भी स्टिल दैट सेम?
ब्रॉडली इट इज़ मूविंग अराउंड द सेम एंड आई थिंक क्लाइंट टू क्लाइंट एंड रीजन टू रीजन बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है. सो आई वर्कड विद Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3 cities when we are doing ads. तो स्पेसिफिकली मतलब हम Tier 3 cities में हम अगर नॉर्मल इंगेजमेंट कैंपेन्स भी लगाते हैं, देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन इंक्वायरी जनरेट होती है. पीपल फील बिकॉज इन Tier 3 दे आर जनरली कनेक्टेड सो लोकली विद द मार्केट कि उनके लिए वो होता है कि आपकी एड देखिए एंड दे जस्ट वॉक्ड इन कि हाँ माल बिक जाएगा.
राइट.
बट यही चीज़ Tier 1 सिटी में ऑलरेडी इतनी क्रैम्ड है. तो मोरलेस एल्गोरिथम इज सेम. आई विल नॉट से कि एल्गोरिथम में कोई चीज़ चेंज हुई है, बट इट हैज़ बिकम मोर स्मार्टर.
ओके.
इट इज़ नाउ अंडरस्टैंडिंग किसको क्या देखना है, किस टाइप की एड एक्चुअली किसको दिखानी चाहिए.
राइट. इससे एक और चीज़ उठ के आती है, लाइक दिस समथिंग विच आई हैव फेल्ट दैट whatever we are talking about, we see the ads.
Yeah.
So how does that happen?
रियल टाइम आई थिंक हमारे फोन्स अगर हमारे आसपास है, दे आर ऑलवेज लिसनिंग टू अस एंड आवर इंफॉर्मेशन in real time is getting crunched and we are shown ads.
So हमारी privacy कहाँ गई फिर उसमें?
The minute we purchase, हम सारी चीज़ों को terms and conditions को टिक करते हुए जब मूव इन कर रहे होते हैं for any phone device we purchase, I think हमने already उनको सारी चीज़ों का access दे रखा होता है.
Now my next thing, let's move towards AI थोड़ा सा.
Okay.
What are your views about AI? Does that help you out in your business, or does that made difficulties in running your agency?
As of now, I've not faced any difficulty from AI.
Okay.
I think it's quick to ideate. अगर हम उस चीज़ को एक proper research format में use करें AI को, it is well and good. I am not seeing any technical challenge कि हम AI, क्योंकि अगर हम market को देखते हैं, Indian market specifically, it's very emotional driven.
Right.
And AI lacks emotions. And जब तक वो चीज़ AI में नहीं है, I don't think there is any reason for anyone to actually fear.
Right.
क्योंकि हम जो भी communication creatives में या strategies भी जो बनती है end consumer के लिए, we really need to connect the cord to our end consumer.
कौन सा tool आप use करते हो AI के अंदर? I mean, ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot. Which is the best one you have used?
I keep hopping. I don't have any fix.
Achha.
There are times when I'm using Perplexity also,
okay.
where I'm using Gemini also.
Okay, so which is the best platform you have figured out so far?
See, I think for the longest of time, ChatGPT बहुत go-to बन गया था.
Right.
For everything. So I think for the maximum time I've used ChatGPT, but I feel कि Perplexity is also great and Gemini is.
So have you used that for image generation or video generation, anything like that?
हाँ, I think कई बार मेरे को जब अपने डिज़ाइनर को समझाना होता है ना कि मुझे क्या चाहिए, I feel कि when I'm just failing to make them understand, तो मैं ऐसे होता कि रुको, I'll give a ChatGPT prompt, हाँ मुझे ये चाहिए था कि this is a kind of reference that I'm expecting, and if you can वो visualization जो हम बोल के कर रहे थे ना कि क्या चाहिए, I think with AI I'll say कि वो बहुत ease हो गया है.
Right.
कि we can actually visually show them कि हमें ये चाहिए था.
Exactly. So where do you see AI is moving?
It's moving in direction where people, if they use it in the right way, it is a blessing. But it can also be a bane in the market. Agar the younger generation, they are extremely dependent.
Right.
They don't even. हम लोगों ने फिर भी Google search करना सीखा है. We've seen libraries. I think the younger generation now, they are so dependent on ChatGPT की एक email भी लिखनी होती है तो सीधा open AI and
give us just a prompt and
an email भी. तो I think वो longer run में it will be very dangerous for them to function.
Why do you feel it will gonna be dangerous for them? Because so far we have seen that tech develop ही हो रहा है.
But they'll not put any thought to what is being written. मतलब when I see, so there are times when hiring चल रही है, किसी की application आई, तो hiring application में वो practically high bracket name वो वैसे ही आ रहा होता है.
Yes, that also I have also seen that particular thing. Moreover, AI agents भी आजकल आ रहे हैं, wherein you don't need anybody. And AI agents will gonna go ahead and do that,
like prompt experts.
Yes, kind of prompt expert. Along with that, there are some sales agents which are also coming into the picture. Even I have recently went ahead and developed a sales agent, and when anybody talk to that agent, they're not gonna feel that whether they are talking to a real person or an AI. It's just that we are in a process of training it and things like that. आगे आने वाली जॉब्स का क्या होगा? क्योंकि जो एजुकेशन है, जो पढ़ाया जा रहा है, I mean, जो आगे मैं देख रहा हूँ लाइफ में और जो पढ़ाया गया, हम लोगों को पढ़ाया गया, दैट वाज वे डिफरेंट. बट इवन स्टिल राइट नाउ जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम है हमारा, वो कहीं ना कहीं कोलैप्स मेरे को होता हुआ दिखाई दे रहा है आफ्टर दिस ChatGPT.
करेक्ट.
तो कैसे हमारे जो आगे आने वाली जनरेशन है कोप अप कर पाएगी बाकी की चीज़ों के साथ?
आई फील बहुत डिफिकल्ट है उन लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि द अमाउंट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एक्सपोजर जिस यंग एज में उन लोगों को इस टाइम पे मिल रहा है,
राइट,
इट कैन बी गुड. बट आई फील कि जो मेंटल ग्रोथ, जो एक थॉट देने में लगता है ना कि यार मुझे इस सवाल का आंसर शायद लाइब्रेरी की 10 बुक्स छानने पे मिलेगा, आई थिंक वो जो एफर्ट्स द ओल्डर जनरेशंस हैव डन,
राइट,
वो नॉलेज एक्चुअली थी.
yes,
इस टाइम पे नॉलेज इज जस्ट पुटिंग दैट प्रॉम्प्ट एंड गेटिंग योर आंसर इन एन इंस्टेंट.
but the kind of the populations we have, and the kind of the layoffs which we are seeing over there in the market, what will gonna happen, like, when this AI thing will be completely ready, as per you?
I think AI already है market में. In everything that we are seeing, हम बहुत dependent already हो चुके हैं.
Right.
And I don't feel any industry now is left. मतलब even if I see developers, there are so many tools, technical tools also now available. Coding करके मिल जाता है.
I mean, 3 सेकंड के अंदर आपका लैंडिंग पेज रेडी हो जाता है. 3
Correct.
seconds.
Correct.
It's like that only.
पूरी हमें क्या front end चाहिए, क्या back end चाहिए. Everything is there just on prompts.
Why influencer marketing came into the picture, first of all, and how it is helping out the brands in order to grow?
Initially when influencer marketing actually started, where I see it, brands को चाहिए था कोई face, somebody who can do the talking for the brand.
Right.
Story वहाँ से शुरू हुई थी.
Mm-hmm.
That we just need a face who can speak features, product के बारे में promote करे. And of course, since they are popular, तो उनकी audience and credibility के भरोसे उनकी sales drive भी हो सकती है.
Right, right.
But I think right now जो situation influencer marketing की हो चुकी है, that any and every person there on Instagram is become an influencer.
Right.
And quality checks बहुत drop हो चुकी हैं, parameters बहुत drop हो चुके हैं.
True.
तो समवेयर इट ऑल्सो क्वेश्चंस द क्रेडिबिलिटी ऑफ ब्रांड कि वो किस तरह के इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के साथ कोलैबोरेट कर रहे हैं. एंड आई फाइंड इट अ बबल मार्केट. यू नेवर नो व्हेन इट विल ब्लास्ट.
But why so? Because, like, if I talk about the younger generation, maximum time they spend on internet, on digital space only, right?
Correct.
And they are actually the one who are consuming this space, or I would say the time of these influencers. So आने वाली जनरेशन तो इन्हीं को कंज्यूम करने वाली है. So don't you think, like, we as a human as well, it has become necessary to go on to online and go ahead and publish our own content so that our coming generation will also gonna see us.
So when I say brands collaborating with the influencers,
Right.
तो I think we need to define credible. So I came across one of our brands. They came to me. उन लोगों ने ऑलमोस्ट हर सेकंड थर्ड पोस्ट पे उनका इन्फ्लुएंसर कोलैबोरेशन था.
Okay.
व्हेन आई गो बैक लुक इनटू देयर सेल्स कुछ नहीं है.
अच्छा.
एंड पेज पे फॉलोअर्स ऑब्वियसली जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसर हर महीने दे आर स्पेंडिंग ऑलमोस्ट ₹1 लाख टू गेट सम ऑफ द अदर इन्फ्लुएंसर
Okay.
ऑन बोर्ड. एंड 2 3 4 रील्स कोलैबोरेशंस में आ रही हैं. अगर मुझे सिर्फ अपनी डिजिटल प्रेजेंस को बनाना है,
Right.
इफ दैट इज माई फाइनल मोटिव कि मुझे सिर्फ ब्रांड दिखना है, good strategy.
Okay.
Keep playing with influencer marketing and I think you've got the,
Eyeballs.
yeah, definitely.
But not the sales kind of thing. Okay. So आज
Audience बहुत aware है इस टाइम पे. Audience is very much aware कि उनको किस तरह का प्रोडक्ट चाहिए and किस तरह की, मतलब मैं किसी इन्फ्लुएंसर का या किसी रैंडम इंसान का पोस्ट देखती हूँ एंड सडनली आई सी समबडी प्रमोटिंग, मेरा पहला इंटेंट यही होता है यार ये स्पॉन्सर्ड होगा, ब्रांड ने इसको कुछ भेजा है इसलिए प्रमोट कर रहे हैं. एंड आई डोंट थिंक पीपल इवन यूज दोज प्रोडक्ट्स मोस्ट केस में. इन्फ्लुएंसर्स जिनको प्रोडक्ट्स मिल भी रहे हैं वो मोस्ट केस में यूज भी नहीं कर रहे. दे आर जस्ट डूइंग दोज ब्रांड मेंशंस एंड प्रोडक्ट्स तो वहीं.
एग्जैक्टली. ये वही वाली चीज़ है जैसे सेलिब्रिटीज पान मसाला एंडोर्स कर रहे हैं. इट्स लाइक काइंड ऑफ द सेम थिंग ओनली. ओके. बट आज की डेट में एक चीज़ और भी चल रही है दैट इन ऑर्डर टू बिकम एन इन्फ्लुएंसर पीपल आर डूइंग वेरी वियर्ड स्टफ एंड दे आर पुटिंग देयर लाइफ ऑन द स्टेक. व्हाट इज योर मैसेज टू देम?
I think we still have a lot of opportunities. Maybe there are more ways in which we can figure out how to be famous more ethically. I think define a niche and once you have your niche defined, किस तरह की audience and pick up credible brands.
So Meghna, you are a passionate traveler, right? First of all, please tell us, like, where all have you been and how was your experience going to the different part of the country?
India मैंने काफ़ी explore किया है.
Okay.
Be it majorly towards north, south and west.
Okay.
East is still unexplored for me.
Okay.
But all these 3 places, major cities mostly cover करी हुई है हर
Okay.
जगह पे.
Wow.
टारगेट यही चल रहा है इस टाइम पर कि एटलीस्ट एक बार ही हर स्टेट में घूमा.
Okay.
Pick off all the places.
Got it. So what are the major difference you have seen in the north and the south? एक छोटी सी, मतलब I have felt that kind of एक rivalry सी चलती है north and south के अंदर. तो have you also felt that and have you also seen?
Definitely.
Okay.
I think I have a very funny episode Chennai में and हम थे I had a meeting and I had to go for a meeting. मैं कैब बुक करने की कोशिश कर रही थी and somehow I was not getting cab and I was running late for the meeting. तो मेरे को था बाहर निकल के I'll take an auto.
Right.
And I stepped out. मैं बात कर रही हूँ कि अन्ना this location, ये location पे जाना है, हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में, किसी तरह. 10 minutes later, that person, वो constantly he's replying back to me in Tamil.
Okay.
And 10 minutes later, प्रॉपर हिंदी में, कहाँ जाना है, 100 रुपये एक्स्ट्रा लूंगा.
What?
मैंने भैया यार आपको हिंदी देर से समझ आ रही थी तो आप पहले ही बता देते.
Right.
बट आई थिंक इट जस्ट अ वे कि आई हैव सीन दिस इन बैंगलोर में भी बहुत होता है. मतलब दे विल ओवरचार्ज यू फॉर जस्ट बीइंग अ नॉर्थ इंडियन.
Oh.
एंड आई थिंक वो शक्ल देख के गेज कर लेते हैं.
Right.
कि यू कांट स्पीक द लैंग्वेज एंड दे वुड जस्ट नो.
आजकल काफ़ी न्यूज़ भी आ रही है कि कुछ इस तरीके के इवेंट्स जो कि चल रहे हैं जिसमें कि नॉर्थ इंडिया, आई मीन इंडियंस को ही लाइक दे आर टारगेटिंग Indians, as in like if that person is not from that region, people are targeting. There are a lot of people who have started making content कि भी कहाँ से हो, महाराष्ट्र से, कोई बात नहीं है, क्या हो गया तो. So it's like that. Why do you think that it is there in India?
यूनिटी तो थोड़ी आई थिंक हमारे यहाँ लैक करती है एज अ कंट्री.
Okay.
It is good to promote your own language. It is good to support your culture. I am not against it.
Okay.
But I genuinely feel कि अगर कोई मेरी स्टेट में आ रहा है,
Right.
even if I have traveled to Mumbai, मैं locals में travel करती थी initially back in like 2018.
Okay.
So ऑफिस जाना था and अगर मैं किसी लेडी से पूछ रही हूँ कि स्टेशन के लिए गेट लेफ्ट आएगा या राइट आएगा, शी विल रिप्लाई बैक टू मी इन मराठी. मैं उनसे हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ, शी इज रिप्लाइंग मी इन मराठी.
Okay.
एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि उनको
नहीं आती.
हाँ हिंदी नहीं आती है,
Right.
बट they opt to speak in Marathi just to make you feel कि you are an outsider.
Right. Which is the best place you have visited so far, which might have changed your life or your thought of life?
I think one place that genuinely changed a lot of things for me in my life was Spiti.
Okay.
Last year मैं Spiti travel करी थी. I was there for a week.
Okay.
And it genuinely changed everything for me. हम इतने लाइफ के हश-बश में रहते हैं ना, constantly on toes, running. And when I was there in Spiti, सारी चीज़ें हो रही थी, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी. From visiting places to reaching to a new location to having your meals, even if I was working remotely,
Right.
everything was getting managed. But
Okay.
the amount of peace, the amount of वो किसी चीज़ से ना फोमो नहीं हो रहा था कि ये मिस हो रहा है.
Right. So are you a sea person or a mountain?
Mountains any day.
Okay, why so? That just comes inside.
हाँ, this is
like
something just there कि you feel a different calmness when you're there in mountains.
Okay, so you travel for the work purpose or just to travel?
Both. It's always mixed.
Okay.
So अगर मैं किसी new city जा रही हूँ even for my work purpose, so I'll make sure at least I have a day extra to explore the city, at least tick off some mandate places or
Okay.
eat at mandatory places.
But again, like वो question मेरा है, that is कि which side you like most? North, south, west or east? Like people, or if I talk about
In North Indians, obviously, if I see, I'll have a very different opinion here. North Indian because people are easy and welcoming. हम समझ
Right.
सकते हैं anywhere, even if you travel towards Himachal. or
right, yes,
people are very welcoming.
Absolutely, yeah.
In case of South, I love eating South Indian food.
Okay.
So that
Why?
becomes a advantage. Why I can say South is also very nice.
Right.
And it's very culturally rich. मुझे South के temples, the kind of architecture, the kind of culturally driven homes, वो देखने में बड़ा मजा आता है.
Right, because South में अभी भी like I would still say that culture is still there.
Yeah.
I mean North में उतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. Of course they have the reason that all the battles have been like there in North India only, and South तक उतने ज़्यादा लोग जा नहीं पाते because it's all covered with sea and things like that. So maybe that is the reason that they are so much into the cultural
South
things.
में if you notice, art
Yes.
is also something which is still
Right.
there, and art in every form, not just
Right,
art in
right.
form of drawing, painting, art in form of music, dance,
True.
and they value it even today.
And not just value it, they like, you know, they keep it like a secret as well, and like, you know, they don't want to showcase it to anybody else. It's like they have their own tribe. They just want to keep it their
Very
only
close to
impact. Right. So how do you manage the travel and work?
I think that's the best part of being in digital marketing.
Okay. Yeah.
You can work remotely from anywhere on this planet.
Right.
You just need your laptop and phone. That's and a good internet connection.
Right.
And कहीं से भी काम हो सकता है उसके बाद.
Exactly. So कभी आपने ऐसा करा है कि बीच पे आप shack पे you're sitting around and like, you know, taking a meeting?
Yeah. Goa. I've literally done that in Goa.
Okay. So कभी ऐसा आपने dream करा था like that I want to do something like that, this?
मतलब before I could think, I was already doing it.
Okay.
So
fine.
even, you know, before even I think कि मुझे ये चाहिए, I was already there. And I know for a lot of people that is still a dream कि यार आराम से बैठ के कहीं भी travel करो and I can work anywhere.
Right. So is it the reason that you came into the digital space?
That's the reason why I don't want to leave business ever.
Okay.
The kind of independence you get, the kind of, and of course being in digital space.
Right.
It gives you a lot of freedom to move around, travel, explore. And even on the work front, I feel कि जब मैं किसी local audience को समझती हूँ, if I understand उनकी inclination क्या है, even if I'm placing campaigns in Madurai, अगर मैं Madurai समझती ही नहीं हूँ, so I am just blindly placing those campaigns.
True.
But if I am culturally connected to the audience, at least I understand some basics of their city, उनके थॉट प्रोसेस, तो मेरे लिए बड़ा इजी होता है कि ये इनको चाहिए क्या होगा. व्हेन आई ट्रैवल्ड साउथ आई रियलाइज्ड कि यू नो वर्नाक्युलर कंटेंट इनको मत दिखाओ इंग्लिश हिंदी, यू नो वर्क इन वर्नाक्युलर कंटेंट, इट इज अ बिग विन.
राइट.
सो बहुत सारी जगहों पे हमने वो चीज़ें स्ट्रैटेजिकली भी अपने लिए चेंज करी है.
Okay.
On the work front also.
Got it. So, and is it like, you know, is it really makes a difference, or I would say doing marketing in North or doing marketing in South India, is it different?
Marketing in context of
The content or maybe the strategies?
थोड़ा है. आई थिंक अगर हम आज भी देखें तो साउथ में लोग आज भी यूट्यूब बहुत देखते हैं. So and they are still there absorbing a lot of long format content.
Right.
और अगर हम आज भी देखेंगे बहुत सारे brands, even if I see lot of clothing brands, उनकी sales बहुत जल्दी साउथ से पिक होती है.
Yes. Jewelry ले लो आप.
Yes.
Apparel.
Against any नॉर्थ की मार्केट से ज़्यादा साउथ में उनको सेल्स जल्दी मिल जाती है. तो आई समवेयर फील कि यू नो अडेप्टेबिलिटी वहाँ के लोगों में है. इट माइट जस्ट टेक टाइम बट इट इज स्टिल फास्टर देन नॉर्थ इंडियंस.
Yes. And moreover, like, you know, I have also felt that the buying time, the southern side, like, you know, they don't spend a lot of time, like, you know, in order to buy something. They make decisions quicker.
Correct.
If I compare it with North Indian, here we just go ahead and keep on negotiating, keep on, like, you know, researching and things like that.
उसका सबसे बड़ा रीज़न ये भी है ना कि हम लोग ऑलरेडी अपनी लाइफस्टाइल्स पे इतना स्पेंड कर रहे होते हैं नॉर्थ इंडियन. Whereas if you go back and look at the homes in south,
Yeah.
they are very simple.
Yes.
आज भी वो
Yet beautiful,
बेसिक
but-
बेसिक घरों में रह रहे हैं. They are not into a very high end living.
Right.
So they have that kind of purchasing power also. हम already अपनी lifestyles पे इतना invest कर चुके हैं, from having lavish homes to lavish cars, that when we need to actually go back and buy, so we are moving around 10 shops to before take any decision कि खरीद लेना चाहिए.
True. Moreover, like, you know, South, if I talk about South side, like, you know, they more inclined towards investing as well, which I have seen, like, you know, be it jewelry हो गया या फिर कुछ भी investments हो गया. Yes, of course. However, like, you know, North, we tend to spend more in, like, you know, again, the cars and all sort of, like, you know, luxury. ये डिफरेंस क्यों है आपके हिसाब से, और क्या शोकेस करता है ये डिफरेंस?
See, I think this is also very culturally driven, क्योंकि उन लोगों के वहाँ पे जैसे गोल्ड इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी वेरी ऑस्पिशियस. वो हर उनकी कोई भी लाइफ का कोई भी बड़ा एलिमेंट होगा, मैरिजेस, बर्थ ऑफ अ चाइल्ड, कुछ भी, सो वो लोग एक्चुअली गोल्ड बहुत ज़्यादा यू नो देते हैं.
राइट. यस.
एंड दे कंसिडर टू बी इट ऑस्पिशियस.
राइट.
इस चीज़ को मैंने वर्क फ्रंट में भी देखा है.
ओके.
सो वन ऑफ आवर क्लाइंट, ही वाज डूइंग स्टोर लॉन्च.
Okay.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का शोरूम था, वो ओपन कर रहे थे. सो व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू ड्राइव कस्टमर्स इन अ चेन्नई मार्केट? गोल्ड फ्री. छोटा सा एक गोल्ड का पीस, एंड ही जस्ट use that as a marketing tactic, and it worked wonders for him.
Wow, amazing. What about your views about gold? Do you buy gold? Do you love gold?
No, I don't love gold, but I buy as long as it is for investment purpose.
Okay. What about the marketing tactics or strategies? How much different they are? Like, if I talk about like working for a foreign brand or working for a foreign Indian brand.
Working for a foreign brand, marketing strategies or?
Strategies, yes.
Strategy first. Yeah. Okay. So marketing strategies for a foreign brand, generally I feel कि it's easier to implement, क्योंकि client ना तुम पे बहुत trust कर रहा होता है. They understand if you are guiding them or telling them or suggesting them anything, it is coming with a purpose.
Right.
It is not कि इसमें इनका कोई बेनिफिट हो रहा है. Which I feel some days कि इंडियन क्लाइंट्स में वो चीज़ आ जाती है कि पता नहीं हमें इसलिए सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि इनको कुछ मिल रहा है.
True.
But
I mean, Indian clients, they start judging us for like giving any strategy or maybe something like that.
True.
Great.
And platform is not paying the agency.
To all the viewers. So you have also been into the food blogging, right? Like, as we went through with your profile. So how did that started, and why did you went into the food blogging? Is it because you're foodie?
Yes, foodie and travel. So the page name is Foodies Road.
Okay.
So that's the entire passion ki me and my sister, both of us, we love eating.
Okay.
And both of us love traveling. So that's where it started for us कि college time में हमने घूमना शुरू किया, and we started with blogging. And बहुत सारा free खाने को मिला, lot of barter collaborations that we did, lot of free Zomato orders we got at home. So that's where it started.
Tell me your first experience, like, your first vlog when you went outside. How did you do that?
It was a barter collaboration. And it was a restaurant in, I think, Punjabi Bagh.
Okay.
और उन्होंने पर्सन वॉज वेरी हम्बल. मतलब उन्होंने इतना सारा खाना हमारे टेबल पे रखा होगा. वी एक्चुअली हैड टू टेल हिम कि वी कैन नॉट कंज्यूम, एंड वी वर 4 people, and we actually had to tell him कि इतना तो हम नहीं खा पाएंगे.
Absolutely.
And he was so nice कि नहीं, आप लोग if you want you can get it packed. But definitely कि काफ़ी जगहों पे इतने अच्छे लोग मिले हैं जिनने बहुत खाना खिलाया है.
Wow. So what kind of food you like most?
I'm very experimental.
अच्छा.
So since we eat normally North Indian Indian food घर पे खाते हैं, तो generally when I'm moving out I prefer to experiment.
Okay.
थोड़ा कि I'll go American, Italian खा लिया, कभी Asian खाया. So I keep exploring that.
So any weird requests you have got at the time of that food blogging?
हाँ, so we've also done कि थोड़े बहुत पैसे मिल रहे थे.
Okay.
So there was a restaurant based in Kolkata, and they wanted कि उनके लिए रिव्यूज डाल दें.
Okay.
वो फोटोज भेज देंगे एंड रिव्यूज डाल दो, एंड दे विल पे यू फॉर जस्ट डूइंग दैट.
Right.
आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स नाउ आई डू रियलाइज कि इट्स जस्ट अ कंप्लीट गिमिक.
Right.
बट बैक देन अच्छा लग रहा था. पॉकेट मनी मिल रही थी.
Exactly. That kind of like passion होता है, या फिर एक वो होता है कि like this is something which you wanted to do and you were doing it. It makes us happy.
Correct.
Right. अच्छा, कभी ऐसा हुआ कि आप कहीं पे गए हो किसी रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर एंड वहाँ का खाना बिल्कुल ही अच्छा नहीं हो, और लाइक बट स्टिल यू हैव टू मेक सम कंटेंट आउट ऑफ इट, एंड वर यू जेन्युइन एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम on the review part?
No, I mean अब किसी ने खाना खिला ही दिया है तो you gotta be nice to the person.
Okay, so if anybody like अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका food थोड़ा सा भी इधर उधर है but still you want somebody, तो maybe she can help. Okay, anyways, that was just a joke. You have done a lot in your life, like since we are having a conversation. Previously I know a very bit about your profession only, and like but now I have came across your entire life, so I really admire you that you have been into so many things and you have done so many things. There's another thing which I want to like add on over here, that is that you have done modeling as well. How was your experience with that? What did you learn from there?
So वो वो literally होता है ना, ऐसे थोड़े दिन के लिए कोई भूत चढ़ता है.
Yes.
वो वाला फेस था.
Okay.
But I genuinely enjoy it. So मेरे लिए getting into a pageant or a modeling industry, ये नहीं था कि मॉडल बनना है, बट मेजरली वो इट वाज इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ कि आई वांटेड दैट काइंड ऑफ ग्रूमिंग दैट वी वर गेटिंग.
Okay.
द काइंड ऑफ गाइडेंस, द काइंड ऑफ लर्निंग्स यू कैन गेट.
Right.
तो आई थिंक वो बहुत डिफरेंट थी फ्रॉम what we usually do. कोई तुम्हें इंग्लिश बोलना, खाना खाना, उठना बैठना, चलना नहीं सिखाएगा.
Absolutely.
Which you actually can learn
modeling के अंदर if I talk about like how much time you spend over there?
It was a year and a half.
Okay.
Majorly I was associated to a pageant जिनके
Okay.
through we were just doing some small work.
ठीक है. So how long was your training and what kind of a culture we have in the modeling industry?
Since we were very I'll say बहुत protect करके रखा हुआ था.
Okay.
Because of course the industry also has a lot of dark side.
Yeah.
So they also make sure कि as young girls they are also protecting
Right.
interest of everybody and I think वहाँ पे जो trainings जिस तरह की मिली थी in terms of teaching us to empowering ourselves, knowing better about our own self, हमें क्या पसंद है, what will actually suit us.
Okay.
तो वो thought process, mindset and shifting us towards the positivity.
Right.
So that really helped in life. मतलब I don't ever regret those decisions taken. I genuinely look back and I actually feel happy and enjoy it कि this was also part of a journey and
Right.
you can always take back some good learnings from it.
Right. Absolutely. Meghna, you have done like since you went into the modeling as well and like have you ever thought of like getting into like Miss India or Miss World? Since you look stunning, you look very great. So didn't that came into your mind that I should go ahead and like get into those areas as well?
I wasn't sure, like इतनी motivation नहीं आई थी कि if I'll be able. I have seen girls being very passionate, but
Yeah.
when I was there being one of the participants in
Right.
the pageant, I have seen girls. They are very passionate and
Okay.
they're very hardworking.
All right.
So I genuinely knew that मेरे में उतनी अभी capacity नहीं है, इतना passion नहीं है, and you cannot fight with somebody who has that passion.
Yeah, absolutely.
अगर किसी में वो चीज़ का passion होना तो तुम उससे नहीं लड़ सकते हो.
True.
I can still work hard, but if somebody is passionate, they'll always win it.
True. Being a foodie and getting into modeling, like that is two different roads. I would say, if I can say. How did you manage that for those times?
I can never give up on food.
Okay.
I'll always eat.
All right.
And but one thing that stays constant, workout.
Yeah. How much strict diet like one has to take when they are into the modeling or like in this industry?
Honestly, not much. I think as long as you're working out, it just balances everything.
All right.
Baki, yes, you need to do little clean eating.
Being North Indian, how easy or difficult it is?
छोले भटूरे नहीं खाने हैं.
Acha.
Avoid fried,
Okay.
sweets, white sugar, certain things that you can quit, which are very easy too.
Okay.
And I think वो in general life में भी मेरी from ever since then आज तक भी बहुत negligible है.
अच्छा. Although North Indians को मैंने ऐसा देखा नहीं है, they are on completely a different path. Even I am very much foodie and like I week में एक बार अगर छोले भटूरे नहीं खाए तो फिर ऐसा लगता है कि यार कुछ मिस कर रहा हूँ लाइफ में. Even yesterday it happened like I went to Dubai and I came yesterday back and as soon I landed I went to I was feeling hungry and I went to Haldiram and I ordered chole bhature and I had it and now I'm feeling okay, fine, let's go back to home. So it's
taste buds चाहिए.
Yes, absolutely. I would say recently you have added something in your name, right? You have got your name updated, I would say. Why and what was the story behind it?
I got it changed in it's been 10 years now.
Oh, okay.
I was 18 when my name spelling
All
got
right.
changed.
Why?
So मतलब it's a very funny story. 11th में marks बहुत कम आ रहे थे and my parents had a complete feeling that I would just flunk in 12th. So they thought मतलब with every possible tuition they were like there's something wrong with this child.
Right,
Maybe she'll not be able to do anything in her career.
Okay.
So in that I think panic or
Huh.
but I feel like it's a nice fancy name. Now.
Yeah.
Thoda unique.
Right.
So it's Meghna with double A. So I got 3 options कि name को spell कैसे करना है. So I was like ये अच्छा लग रहा है. थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा.
Okay. Got
It's
it.
better.
Even this happened with me that Hina shared like the content and over there your name has like H as well in your last name, and I replied her that you might have made a mistake in her name, please correct it and send me back. And then she said no sir, like it's like that only. Then I went to LinkedIn and checked your profile over there and there was also the same, so I thought okay. So is it because of spiritually, like, this thing happened, or have you seen any changes after that? What were your views?
This was very funny. तो मैंने अब इतने साल हो गए थे तो ऑब्वियसली कोई इतना सोच भी नहीं रहा होता है,
Right.
बट अभी फ्यू मंथ्स बैक ओनली आई केम अक्रॉस द डॉक्यूमेंट जो उन्होंने नेम चेंज के साथ दे गेव लाइक एन एंटायर एनालिसिस, यू नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ करियर पाथ, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन लाइफ, एक एनालिसिस रिपोर्ट टाइप आता है.
Right.
So I sat down and I started reading it, and I could see a lot of things that have happened. For me, getting into business or entrepreneurship was never the plan.
Okay.
So I come from a service background family, and कहीं पे भी किसी ने नहीं सोचा था कि business में घुसना है.
अच्छा.
Even like first 2-3 years of my business, it was like job कर लो, you'll have a
Yeah.
better stable life.
Right.
And out of blue business में घुसना. But 10 years back, somebody had already written that she'll be in business.
Okay. And you read it like now?
हाँ, I read it now. मतलब it was not something कि मैंने उसको देखा इसलिए मैं business में घुसी.
Right. Okay.
Apparently when I could connect back dots कि बहुत सारी life situations ऐसी हुई है, turns हुई हैं life में, that is already written. Feel कि
wow.
ठीक है, somewhere it has been powerful.
कौन थे वो पंडित जी? I would like to meet.
Sure.
How much inclined you are towards spirituality? What is spirituality means to you?
Spirituality has a lot of power.
Okay.
And मतलब I feel कि if you believe in it, चीज़ें होती हैं. And there is some superior power. अगर हम उस चीज़ को believe करने लगे, we start moving towards it.
Right.
A lot of things can change for us.
Okay. So, are you a worship person, or are you inclined towards meditation?
I am a worship person.
You're a worship person. Okay. And what are your views towards meditation?
Recently I started with meditation also.
Okay.
No doubt, बहुत powerful है. बहुत mentally बहुत काम कर देता है. It brings your energies back
Right.
aligned. So I literally took some classes to learn guided meditation.
Right.
ताकि समझ आए कि करना क्या है. क्योंकि you know what you need to focus on, what you really need to think.
Right.
And it helps. मतलब I think it just sets the tone of your day.
Right. Yes.
Any time in morning if you're meditating, it just sets the tone of your day.
True.
And your energy is not ऊपर या ना नीचे.
Exactly.
It'll be stable throughout the day.
Absolutely. So even I'm also very much into the meditation, and like I used to do like deep meditation of like half an hour or 1 hour as well. Like I was inclined towards the chakras. So even I did a course. From there I learned the energy centers of your entire body. There are like 7 chakras, and then I started doing 1 chakra in a day, and it that time has changed my life entirely. Like I felt more aligned, I felt more connected, and there was a purpose in me, and things changed entirely with meditation. Although now I'm not able to do those deep meditation, but yes, of course it was a COVID time only, and we had nothing to do, so I went off, let's try, like
But 1 hour is actually very good.
Yeah, I mean that has changed. I do not used to feel the entire body.
Yeah.
I do not feel like where I'm sitting. I don't know, like when I came back, I feel like okay, I was in the meditation, but it felt like I'm dreaming or something like that. So it was like that only.
Mentally body दोनों बहुत light हो जाती है.
बहुत ज़्यादा light हो जाती है. Yes. तो चलिए थोड़ा सा वापस आते हैं. What is leadership means to you, and how do you handle the creative and the tech side of the company? Of the employees, I would say, of the people.
For me, leadership is all about freedom.
Okay.
So I'm not a person who will know it all. I can never be that person.
Okay.
मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है ना when team sits down, and I literally, there are days when I'll go back to my team and I'll tell them, ये मेरी opinion है, give your opinion.
Right.
Overrule my opinion so that there is something, better that we can, think of.
Okay.
Something out of the box we can come up with. तो मेरे को चाहिए कि somebody who can actually come back and overrule my decision.
Right.
I enjoy that when it is coming from my team.
Okay.
And ताकि वो creative freedom भी हो.
Right.
Even on the technical front, if they feel कि कोई चीज़ restrictive है, ये नहीं हो सकती. Yeah, for that matter, there are times when I even push my team forward for client meetings या interaction कि you go forward, have that discussion. तुम समझो परसेप्शन क्या है क्लाइंट का,
Right,
ताकि एंड में व्हेन यू हैव टू वर्क यू कैन एक्चुअली रिलेट इट बैक टू द क्लाइंट, वो तुम्हारे लिए रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं बनेगा.
What about the hiring process? Like, what is your philosophy towards hiring? Because that is a very important thing when you are building a team.
It is important and most difficult in today's time.
Yes.
I think right attitude.
Okay.
तुम एक बार को इन डिजिटल स्पेस ऑनेस्टली बहुत सारी चीज़ें रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है.
Yeah, true.
एनीवन कैन लर्न,
Right.
स्किल्स अटेन हो सकती हैं, बट ओनली इफ इंटेंशन सही हो. अगर इंसान एक्चुअली कुछ करना चाहता हो अपने लिए पहले, देन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल ऑटोमेटिकली कम.
And how do you find out that? I look for like inner fire in that particular person. So how do you go ahead and look for that thing?
See, लॉट ऑफ जनरल क्वेश्चनिंग में थोड़ा आइडिया लग जाता है कि इंसान का एटीट्यूड किस तरह का है. एंड आई एम अ पर्सन जो मैं मेल्स पे भी इफ आई एम सेंडिंग देम एनी कम्युनिकेशन ओवर ईमेल तो मैं एक्सपेक्ट करती हूँ कि रिप्लाई ईमेल पे आएंगे. वो ChatGPT रिप्लाई है, एक्चुअल रिप्लाई है. आई कैन एक्चुअली एनालाइज एंड गेज अ लॉट फ्रॉम देम. देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन पीपल विल रिप्लाई बैक विद अ PDF फाइल ओनली, कि आपने रिज्यूमे मांगा था तो एक PDF फाइल आपके पास आ गई एंड इट डज नॉट हैव अ सब्जेक्ट लाइन, इट डज
Right.
तो आई फील कि वो बेयर मिनिमम एफर्ट है ना, जो हम अगर इतना ही इंटरेस्ट था जॉब लेने के लिए, सो यू विल पुट दैट एफर्ट टू एटलीस्ट राइट 50-60 words for that email.
Exactly.
And if you're not doing that, then I think it's a problem with the attitude.
मैंने तो resume के अंदर spelling mistakes देखी हैं. I mean space नहीं दिया हुआ है तो and I was like I don't know what kind of a resume and what they have.
Nowadays I think the new trend is switch jobs every 6 months.
हाँ, पहले फिर भी it was like at least 1 year होता था. अभी तो I mean
3 months, 4 months, 6 months.
Yeah, switch it.
And they so proudly they'll come back and tell you कि मैंने यहाँ पर ये करा, यहाँ पे ये करा. I've moved out. मैंने कहा इतनी जल्दी job switch करके where do you want to get to?
Right.
They're just getting monetary benefits, but I think for any organization to actually get the value
True.
for any employee, 6 महीने employee का होना चाहिए system.
Absolutely. तभी आप फिर वो आउटपुट
हाँ, 6 months के बाद तो एक्चुअली वो आउटपुट देना शुरू करते हैं कि 6 months वो सिस्टम समझने में ही लग जाता है.
Exactly. If I talk about this younger generation or Gen Z, have you coordinated with anybody in that zone and how did you manage them?
है मतलब no denial. It is very difficult. थोड़ा होता है. They are very AI dependent.
Okay.
कोई भी ईमेल आनी हो वेरी हाईली AI डिपेंडेंट. मतलब कई बार मुझे बोलना पड़ जाता है कि यार मैं इंसानों से डील करना चाहती हूँ, नॉट विद मशीन्स.
राइट.
सो इट्स सम डेज इट इज ओके टू सिट डाउन एंड ब्रेनस्टॉर्म. मतलब आई हैव started putting ban on usage of AI also some days in my office.
Okay.
कि बहुत हो रहा है, सारे मशीन लर्निंग हमें आज नहीं implement करना.
Last thing about this branding and everything like that, which is very much important, I felt, that is brand positioning.
Yes.
There are a lot of people they do not think about or they don't care about brand positioning. What are your views about brand positioning and how much it is important?
They don't care about brand positioning.
Yeah.
So see, brand positioning obviously बहुत matter करती है. It is a very long-term strategy. When I talk about brand positioning, reaching out to the right audience will always be about a long-term strategy.
Right.
Short-term में शायद मैं ads run करके किसी की sales drive कर दूँ. But long-term में if I want to sustain in market, how am I supposed to do it?
Right.
Brand positioning is a very, very important element there.
Okay.
पता चले वो ads बंद हुई and next day से business is dead.
Right. Now let's move on to the next chapter, that is rapid fire questions. So I will be asking you some questions and you just have to speak out the first thought which comes in. So the first question is PR crisis या deadline miss, किससे ज़्यादा डर लगता है?
PR crisis. I think deadlines के लिए we still have जुगाड़ थोड़ा बहुत, but not with the PR crisis.
Okay, great. One client you will never forget.
I think
Panasonic.
I think lot of clients. It's a huge list.
Okay.
I think I genuinely feel happy to serve so many clients.
All right, great. चाय पे brainstorming या late night client?
चाय पे brainstorming any day. रात को सिर्फ regrets.
अच्छा. Okay, great. Digital detox myth है या फिर it is must?
It is a must, but आज के टाइम में myth. We can't.
Yeah.
Impossible.
True.
We're surrounded by gadgets.
Absolutely. Ever boosted up posts just to impress a client?
Yeah.
We have to do it. I understand that.
When they're just like likes nahi aa rahe hain, you can't explain ki sir organically itne nahi aa sakte.
Right.
Okay.
Which Indian brand pretends to be woke but it isn't?
I would not like to
Okay.
comment because it's a tricky situation. अभी इंडियन मार्केट में रहना है.
हाँ बिल्कुल. Okay. क्या आपने कभी किसी कैंपेन्स का क्रेडिट ले लिया जब असली आइडिया किसी और का था?
नहीं, आई डोंट, दैट हैज़ नेवर हैपेंड फॉर मी. मतलब इनफैक्ट मैं तो वो इंसान हूँ कि मेरी टीम के आइडियाज़ होंगे तो आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू पुट देम फॉरवर्ड कि दिस पर्सन हैज़ गिवन द आइडिया.
Okay, great. If you weren't in marketing, what would you be doing?
ट्रैवल ब्लॉगिंग.
Oh, absolutely. Okay. One brand you'll kill to work with.
I think Netflix India.
Okay. Client calls at 11 p.m. Take it or fake it?
Take it and rant about it.
Okay. All right. Great. One marketing term you secretly hate.
I think you'll agree to it. Viral.
Okay. Everybody will gonna agree to it apart from clients, I would say.
Viral.
Great.
I feel it's like a flu.
Absolutely.
Fever है. नहीं, it's not possible. Let it be
Exactly.
the way it needs to run.
Absolutely. So Meghna, like, you have been into branding, you have been into marketing, you have been into modeling, you have been into the food blogging, you have been into traveling. What is the next thing which you would look forward to?
I have plans to expand towards the global markets now.
Okay.
So I'm already servicing clients in UK, US. So अभी है कि अपना global footprint को faster expansion में लेकर जाना है. I think in next 1 or 2 years, that's the roadmap.
Wow, amazing. I would say, like, all the best to that. And from here, like, I would like to go ahead and end up this episode. Thank you very much for coming in. Thank you very much for sharing all the knowledge and all the views about what you have towards this industry. And you have done a tremendous job, because just doing one thing actually boasts, but you have done, like, a lot of things in your life, being so young and, like, being so vibrant, and you have done so many things. I am, like, looking forward. I would say everybody will gonna be looking forward towards where you will gonna reach in the coming future. So thank you very much for coming over here and giving us the time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It has been a pleasure.
Same here. All right. So thank you very much for watching this episode, guys. It have been a lovely conversation with Meghna. We have learned a lot about the branding, about the strategies. We have seen her journey as well, and it's amazing. So if you really like the content, please go hit the like button, subscribe to our channel if you are new. Along with that, if you have any doubt towards the branding or marketing or anything like that, you can drop a comment as well. I'll ask Meghna to share her view if any comment will gonna be there. Is that okay for you?
Fairly.
Great.
We'll do
so
it.
yeah, of course, you have a chance to get an answer by Meghna. So please just go ahead and drop a comment. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.